Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make time Discord easy method. Start by picking a reference time message that everyone agrees on, then invite a lightweight bot to your server. Configure the bot to post updates at set intervals and set the time zone to your community preference. Test the bot in a private channel before enabling it publicly to avoid clutter and ensure timings match your expectations. Install the chosen bot from a trusted source and add it to your server using the bot invite flow. Open the bot dashboard or use /commands to set scheduled posts and link them to your reference message. Enable time zone handling and choose a format like 24-hour or AM/PM to match your audience. Run a quick trial schedule for 10 minutes and verify timestamps display correctly across roles, and keep messages friendly and clear by adding an emoji and a short label before the time so users spot it quickly. For international groups, create pinned messages for major time zones and let users self-assign roles to show local time. Adjust posting frequency to match channel activity, choosing hourly, daily, or event-based updates to avoid clutter while keeping everyone synchronized and confident about meeting and event times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.